Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to troubleshoot a common issue. Your garage door won't close using the myQ app. This is especially useful if you've recently installed myQ and connected it to your garage system. Let's go over the most common reasons this happens and how to fix them. First possible cause: weak internet connection. One of the biggest issues I've noticed is unstable Wi-Fi. This often happens when you're pulling out of your driveway and trying to shut the garage remotely. As your phone moves away from your home network, the Wi-Fi signal can drop before the command fully sends. A quick fix? Turn off Wi-Fi on your phone and switch to mobile data. Then try closing the garage door again. In many cases, the mobile connection is more stable in that transition area. Second possible cause: blocked safety sensors. Garage doors rely on sensors near the bottom of the tracks to detect obstacles. If something is in the way, even a small object, the system will prevent the door from closing. Check for things like trash bins not pushed in fully, tools or boxes near the doorway, items that may have fallen in front of the sensor. Make sure nothing is interrupting the sensor beam. Third possible cause: sunlight interference. This one is less common but definitely happens. Direct sunlight hitting the safety sensors can sometimes confuse them, making the system think there's an obstruction. When that happens, the door simply won't close. If you notice this happening at certain times of day, sunlight could be the culprit. So those are three simple reasons your myQ app might not be closing your garage door, and easy fixes you can try right away. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. I'll see you in the next one.